Hey dudes and chicks, and neither of those rules don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Last Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be doing another episode of Hump It or Dump It, because you guys know how good makeup gets me hot. So if you guys are interested in seeing what makeup that has come out that I'm actually interested in, or things that have come out that I would just as soon wipe my ass with, then just hang out. Releases you can wipe your ass on. Why didn't I think of that sooner? I hate myself, I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm just gonna scoot over. Oh. For any of you who that might have fucking sent right over the OCD fucking ledge. Really sent my OCD kids running for the razors. Let me just... I don't even know. Ah. And so we're gonna start with, I saw that Jeffree Star has a Valentine's Day release. Oh no, it's the celebrating 3-year anniversary of the Blood Sugar palette. Like I fucking am trying to figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with my first Blood Sugar palette. What the fuck does he think we're gonna do with the second one? Nobody wants this. Yeah, so I guess like I was just like scrolling through to see if there was anything especially fucking stupid that I could like bag on, because honestly it takes me a lot longer to find things that I can talk shit about than it takes me to find things that I'm actually like has piqued my interest and things that I would actually spend my money on. And all I could think was, dude, I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with my first Blood Sugar palette. I mean, $52, I can't fucking film with it. I can't even fucking use it without hanging my head in shame. It's the walk of shame to grab my Jeffree Star palette. So why the fuck would anybody buy this shit? Moving on. It's the, okay, I just need you guys to know, I did not unfollow Trend Mood. I figured it was the least I could do because I've decided that Trend Mood is where I go to find fucking dog shit. And Indie Makeup Hotspot, Indie Makeup Spotlight, New Indie Mood or whatever, those are the ones I go to find like, but the thing about it is the brands that I love, I'm already following them. So like, I don't really need to look on new makeup release pages, Instagram pages, because I already know when my shit's getting released. Like, I'm already following the brands that I am interested in, so I don't really need to watch that shit. I really just go there to easily find the pictures that I need for this video. So anyways, I mean, I guess I could talk about the fucking Colourpop Disney release. It's literally like they take a painting that was created by somebody, an actual artist, and they like stick it in a fucking app on their phone. They like plug the color story into an app on their phone, and the app on the phone says, okay, this is the color story. Like anybody could do it. Like you could go into Google Play Store and be like, can I get a palette creator app where I could just plug in a photo and then it would send me the color story? Like basically Colourpop has successfully released another launch that they didn't have to fucking think about, and people are gonna buy the fuck out of it. Whatever. If I talk about Colourpop every single one of these videos, I could just change the name of it to fucking Destroy Colourpop or like whatever. So I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. Another thing that actually caught my eye quite a while ago is the U Beauty palette by Glaminatrix. Now, at first I was like, it's an interesting color story. I like it. I was like wondering if I was really just drawn to the navy blue and it's like it's more to the orangey tone of a mustard seed yellow as it appears in this photograph. However, it wasn't until I saw this right here. I'll get the video up here so that you can see it. When I saw the video of the swatches, I was like, fuck me, I will fucking fuck that palette. And so I actually don't have the money for it right now, but it is on sale right now, and it is, well, I don't know how much it is, but it's worth every penny. Yeah, those shimmers look out of this world. Fucking amazing. Boner! The restock of the XNO Cosmetics Break the Rules palette got relaunched today, and I'm pretty sure it's already sold out. I know for a fact the palette is sold out, but they might still have the mirror, the set with the mirror. I literally had $11 in my bank account, and I tried to get it with PayPal for pay and got it. It should be on its way. That's like basically how I'm affording to do anything right now, is like I basically, if it has Afterpay or I can do it with PayPal 4-way. If I can have a 4-way with PayPal and some brands, then that's how I've been affording getting anything to review on my channel. I saw this and wanted it, and then when I saw Annette, by the time I saw Annette's video and really wanted it, it was already sold out, and fuck, for all I know, I was broke anyways. So yeah, I'm definitely, this is on the way. I had to get it with the mirror. Basically, like, that's like $2 extra. It was like $8.75 for 4 payments every 2 weeks. So like, it seemed like something I could actually muster. The Lore palette, Lore palette by Alien Cosmetics launched, and it is basically a warm tone mattes. The shimmers are going to be fucking off the hook. I guarantee it. I'm fucking looking at them right now. There's a teal, a lime green, that like corally, neon orangey, whatever that shit is in the top right hand corner. I definitely want it. I am fucking broke. Like, I cannot get it, or it would already be gotten. But I was actually thinking about this palette and thinking like I would definitely buy this palette just for the shimmers alone, because Alien shimmers, you guys know I will fuck the shit out of them. I was thinking as I was driving down the street, I was actually pulling into the post office yesterday, and I was thinking they just came out with an all matte palette, which I haven't been able to get yet, but I think I'm gonna try to get it when I get paid. I wish Alien would come out with the fucking all shimmer palette. Like, I would totally be all over that shit. It will be good. And I don't know, I might pass on this only because I'm so fucking broke. Like, I would literally buy everything. Every launch that Alien had, I would buy it and test it and review it for you guys. I love the brand. I love the quality. The mattes are good. The shimmers are better. And fucking the person that runs it is fucking top notch. She's a fucking quality bitch. So I promote this brand. I support it. I love it. Nomad Cosmetics came out with a Shanghai palette. It's kind of old news at this point, but I did want to talk about it because it definitely caught my eye, and I would have bought it if I would have had any money. So it's like, it has half a side of all shimmers, which everybody knows. Nomad has an impeccable shimmer formula. Their reputation precedes them because of the shimmers that they came out with in the Tokyo Harajuku palette. These shimmers look like the exact same formula, and I mean, you obviously are not going to be able to go wrong. It actually looks like the Tokyo Harajuku shimmers, only 2.0. Like, it's kind of the same, only instead of pastel, they're much more brighter. They have richer pigment. They look fucking great. And honestly, then the left-hand side or whatever, like, I'm looking at it, it's on the left. It doesn't fucking matter what side it is. If you turn it upside down, then it's the right-hand side, so whatever. But on the other side, it's like a yin-yang sign, and it's mattes on one side and shimmers on the other. And the mattes are really that fucking airy, light, nude. There's a light pale pink, there's a pale mauve, there's two like pale, like a pale terracotta, a pale peach, a pale yellow, a pale lime green, a white, a gray, and then like a Kelly green. I love it. I honestly see 1,000 looks I could do with this palette for you guys. I would totally fucking buy it if I wasn't fucking broke. It would be mine. I love Nomad. I want to jump on everything that they fucking come out with that actually, like, that speaks to me, because I love their integrity. I love the quality of their shadows. I've never been disappointed by the quality of their shadows, even though I only have 2 of their palettes. I have 2 of other brands' palettes that I fucking have been very fucking disappointed in. So whatever. Okay, I'm going to talk about the Lily Posh and Alien Cosmetics collab. They came out with 2 single shadows. One is called, so there's Posh Alien and Space Rings. They're 2 single shadows. They're both duochromes. One of them's green with the shift, and one of them's blue with the shift. Now, can I just tell you that I watched the live? I accidentally do. I need you guys to know, I don't watch lives on Instagram, really. It's really difficult for me to get through lives because I don't know why. It frustrates me when I'm watching lives and people start answering questions and mine is never the question. I know. I'm not that big of a deal. But I'll like ask the same question over and over and over and over and over again, and I can't get an answer. So it's just more frustration than it's worth to me. I don't normally watch lives. I saw that Alien was doing a live, and so I clicked on it because you guys know why. I stalk the fuck out of that shit. So I stalked the alien mother. I got on this live and I was listening, and the owner of Posh, which I learned about from Debutante, she's another YouTuber. Every time I go to the Posh website, I can't see the things that I just heard about on the videos aren't there. So I just haven't tried it yet. Whatever. Every time I go to check the site, the thing that I go there to look for isn't there. And so I just haven't tried it, but I've definitely been interested in the brand. So I'm watching this live, and this chick that owns Posh is fucking hysterically fucking funny, right? So she's talking and she's talking and she's talking, and then she's like, so the owner of Alien Cosmetics is from New York and I'm from Montana. And I'm like sitting on my couch and I'm like, oh my God, I'm from Montana. I'm like screaming at my phone. Some of my subscribers have told me they'll like scream at the TV when they're watching my videos. I'm like, oh my God, I'm from Montana. I'm right here. And then she says, I'm in Helena. I'm like, oh, bitch, that's my hometown. I literally go to Helena like every single week sometimes, dude. And so I'm like screaming at the phone. I'm like typing. I'm like, oh my God, I'm from Montana. But when they're doing a live, they can't really like pay any attention. I'm like, dude, I'm in Missoula. It's like an hour and 40 minutes away. You know what I mean? Like, it's nothing. So I messaged her later. I followed her page, messaged her later, and was like, dude, I almost shit my fucking pants when you said you were from Montana. There's literally like, you know, barely any fucking people here at all. I'm like, what the fuck? So I'm like, she's like, yeah, da da da. And I'm like, dude, I'm in Missoula right now. I live in Missoula. She's like, what the fuck? And I was like, dude, and you're fucking shit. And she's like, dude, I just went and watched your video. I fucking almost cried. And so, yeah, I was like, oh, dude, you fucking have my loyalty. Like, if you're from Montana. And she's like, yeah, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just like going after this deal, and you know, I don't fucking know how to be all professional and shit. Us fucking Montucky fucking country bumpkins, right? I told you guys. So anyways, like I just like related to her right away, and she was doing a live with like the alien mother, and I was like, I'm all in. So I want to tell you guys that they have this collab. It's 2 single shadows, and they looked fucking beautiful. And I'm going to tell you, they used them to fucking coat their black lipstick. They used them as highlighters. They used them as lid shades. They used them for everything. I mean, their whole fucking faces were covered with these fucking 2 single shadows, and they look bomb. So get your asses to the Alien website and get these fucking single shadows. They're $10 a piece. They've been launched for, I'm not sure. They've been out for like since Sunday, and it's, oh, they've been out for a week. My bad. Shit. Now, Alien Cosmetics is also launching. It hasn't launched yet, but they're just doing reveals. I'll show you guys 1, 2, 3 of the shades. Actually, they released another one of the shades today. It's like a white. It's the Strawberry Milkshake, and it's the second round with the Serendipity artist, I'm pretty sure. Shit. I might be talking shit out my ass, but I'm pretty sure it's with the artist Serendipity. She did the graphic, and, you know, it's like very similar. It's like this cute girl. You'll see it. I'll put it right here. But, yeah, so it's totally up my alley color story. There's a dark green. There's a lime green. I see a little tiny, tiny corner of a lavender shimmer next to the white, which is a whip. I wonder how good that white is. Anyways, then there's the pinks. There's a red shimmer. I seriously, you guys know, I will fuck the shit out of this palette. And actually, I think that's everything. Like, yeah, that's everything for now. I can't do this thing weekly because like it takes longer than a week for me to be interested in enough releases. So some things might come in late, like I don't even know. Honestly, like the point wasn't for me to tell you guys about all the new releases. Remember, like the point is for me to tell you guys things that I find interesting, and honestly things that like if I have the money, I will fucking be spending it. So anyways, or releases that I just as soon wipe my ass with. So anyways, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell because you can't wait to see what happens next. Hit the like button if you like this video and you want to see more videos like it, or if you just like my sparkling personality and my boyish charm. And hang out with me in the comments because I fucking love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. You could have been anywhere, but you were here spending your precious, valuable time with me, and I totally appreciate you. Later.
The dragon with the blonde girl that used to own it.
Oh,
You look like that.
Daenerys Stormborn.
You look like that dragon.
Game of Thrones.
Not the girl, the dragon.
The dragon.
Yeah.
I know. Okay, anyways, I'm filming. I love you. I'll be
you're
done in 1
filming?
second. Go get Shadow Hunters going, and I'll be out there in a sec.